From March 8 to 13, the Philippines is hosting a number of important ASEAN Economic Meetings. These are the ASEAN Digital Economy Framework Agreement Negotiating Committee meeting, the Legal Experts Meeting for the DEFA, the Preparatory Senior Economic Officials Meeting, or PrepSHOM, and the ASEAN Economic Ministers Retreat. These meetings reflect our shared effort to steer ASEAN's economic initiatives through an increasingly complex global environment. Today, the world economy faces a number of uncertainties. Recent developments, such as the escalation of conflict in the Middle East, are already affecting global energy markets and supply routes. In times like this, ASEAN's strength lies in working together to keep markets open, strengthen our trade partnerships, diversify economic links, and reinforce the resilience of our regional supply chains. At the same time, ASEAN must continue to seize new opportunities for growth. One of the most significant of these opportunities lies in the digital economy.